welcome back. I'm Tahsin Azad, and today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome case, camo case over here. So to make it, watch it till the end and I will show you how to make this. Yes. So to make this you have to use acrylic paint. So first buy acrylic paint, then watch my video. Yes. To make this case, I will use this case. As you can see, I have for this phone, so it's red color. Now I don't use this anymore, so I will change it and make it as I showed you, the camo one. So let's see how it goes. So I will make a time lapse for you, so let's go. So guys, before I start this, I will first color this one with black spray paint, as you can see, and then I will use a hair dryer to dry it quick because I don't want to wait, and then I'll show you the finished look. So let's start. To use these three colors, as you can see, and I will make the green by mixing with white and make different shades to give here. And also you can see from the internet to make that. I will take help from internet. First I will color it with green. So guys, as you can see, I made this green, so it will look black, I know, but I made it green. And now to make this green you have to use this light green and the black color. So let me finish it, and then I will show you the finishing touch, and I will show you how to do it. Guys, finally the product is done and it looks something like this. So I tried my best to do it. As you can see, I tried my best. So you can also do like this, and please don't judge me. It was my first time and I took half an hour to do this simple thing. Whoever are artist, you might be thinking that you can do it in 10 minutes, but I can't because it was my first time. And I think it looks pretty awesome. Yes, you should also make one for you. You can gift anybody you want, and also it's waterproof. And to dry it quickly, you can use hair dryer, which I used. And also comment down below what should I do next, and hope you enjoyed it. And when I painted it, if you couldn't see how it was, sorry for that, but you can see it now. You can also do it, but the colors you need are black, white and light green. Yes, so you can buy that from any shop, acrylic paint, and also a black spray paint. And if your cover is already black, so no problem, you can also gift it to anybody. And also please subscribe my channel, like and share this video, and comment down below what should I do next. And this was my case. Peace out.